Meron pa kayong 6 songs na hindi alam. Grabe, sobrang dami niyan. Abangan nyo po yan. Alam mo na lang yung tracklist, pero I mean, ida-drop na the song. Yeah. Yan, Bloom sa mga nalilito. And, let's get started kasi hanggang 8 p.m. po tayo tonight and until 8 p.m. po tayo tonight and we have a lot of fun things to do for this Kumu Live. Kasi mga bago pa lang na Blooms dyan, na bagong dating, bagong viewer here, follow us here on Kumu so that you will be updated and share this live stream. Grabe talaga! Hindi mo ako makipag-jowa niya. Sabi na kaya sobrang familiar mo sa akin. Tignan mo, si Staku, atat na atat sa'yo, because you look like... Anyways, Ate Maloy! Yes! I have my mic right here. Okay. So, ano nga ba? We are currently at top 15 and we have only hanggang Friday po para makapasok po sa kahit at least top 10 lang po para po manalo kami. So, let's continue sending shopping bag, flying GCs, chill, and OOTD. So, kaso po pag nanalo po kami dito, magagamit po namin yung mga gift cards to buy additional clothes and accessories para maging presentable po kami or kapag may mga shoots po kami, ganon. And the prizes are Tier 1, one winner of 250,000 worth of ECs. Tier 2, one winner of 120,000 worth of GCs. Tier 3, one winner of 60,000 worth of GCs. Tier 4, 7 winners of 10,000 worth of GCs. And once we reach 500k, isang Bloom po for our top gifters ang aakyat po sa ating live. And magkakaroon din po tayo ng unlock performance. I'm gonna sing later. So if this sends stickers, I'm gonna sing for you. Ang gwapo mo, Ate Aya. Hindi, Ate Aya, akbayan mo ako. Mukha tayong you look like couple. Yes! Nash Aguas. Hoy! Alam ko birthday ngayon ni Kuya Nash Aguas. Happy birthday po! Oh my God! So, kamukha mo si Nate. Char. Yes! Birthday ngayon ni Kuya Nash Aguas. Hello, Tio, yung gopo mo seryoso sa angle na to. Boom! Keep on sending stickers! Let's go! Pa-up natin yung stickers kasi exciting talaga yung mga games.